So to top my day off, right, I come to my broken down van, which is here. It is on a yellow line, but it's broken down. So when I put the key in, I go to try and turn it. I'll show you all now. Right, put the key in, keys in, lights are on, yeah, right, wait for that red light go off, try and turn it, nothing, absolutely nothing. Try again, nothing. So I'm trying to fix my van. This happened yesterday. Well, in fact, it happened in London, but I managed to bump start it somehow and get back to Bolton. Anyway, so I'm here, yeah, trying to fix my van. That was yesterday, same today. Got someone coming later to have a look. But look, parking ticket again. Not in window. Broke down vehicle. Still get a parking ticket from the council. Thank you very much.